Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Hira Noreen, your computer science teacher, and today is our 5th lecture of week 1 from the unit 1 programming techniques. First we recap the previous lecture in which we discussed the candidate solution of the problem and select the best solution of the problem. As in the candidate solution we discussed that the list of all possible solution of a problem is called the candidate solution, and when we choose the best solution of only one and best solution of the problem is called select the best solution of a problem. Here we start our today's lecture, and our topic is algorithm. Algorithm basically is a method, procedure, techniques or plan. We first define the method to solve a problem and which procedures are used to solving the problem, and we use different techniques or plan a solution of a problem, and it's a step-by-step method to solve and find the solution of a problem, and it is a set of steps that clearly define the sequence of operations to solve a problem. Like algorithm most useful for the programmer must first create the algorithm of a problem, then make a flow charts, and then write a program in any programming language, because algorithm is the way of programming and provide the step-by-step solution of a problem. It is a set of steps that clearly define the sequence of operation. Like when we define the solution in a step-by-step procedure, then we know and it's clearly define the sequence of operation, which operation is performed first, next. Like if we find average marks of students, then first is add the marks of each subject, and then divide the total number by the total number of subjects. The next is role of algorithm in problem solving. Algorithm play an important role in computer programming, because the computer programming is the process of taking algorithm and coding it in a programming language. First we write a algorithm by step-by-step method, and then the computer programmers take the algorithm and code them in any programming language. Like in next chapter you learn about the C language. Similarly in higher classes different languages you will learn about, but first the algorithm is designed to solve the problem in a very efficient and easiest way. The next is measuring efficiency of an algorithm. The efficiency of algorithm is the property which relates to the algorithm to the amount of computational resources used in it. Like if the algorithm consumes less resources and provide maximum efficiency, then the algorithm is best for solving the solution of a problem. And algorithm must be analyzed. Before we write the algorithm, we must analyze the algorithm to determine its resources uses, like time, memory, space and storage, etc. And we wish to take maximum efficiency of algorithm by consuming less resources, and to measuring the efficiency of the algorithm we maybe write 2 or 3 algorithm and compare them with each other, and the algorithm that use less resources and provide maximum efficiency we select it to solve the solution of the problem. In this lecture we learn about the algorithm and role of algorithm and measuring efficiency of the algorithm. And here is the assignment of your today's lecture. Your assignment is define the algorithm. So students, if you have any question or query from the lecture, you can ask from me. Allah Hafiz.